Hello and welcome. Zhiguli Travel visiting Brighton this week. Brighton is just an hour or so train ride down south from London. It is the most popular tourist destination overlooking the English Channel. Alongside some typical seaside resort attractions such as Brighton Pier, with its waterfront amusements and vibrant nightlife, there are quite a few unique landmarks attesting to the city's rich historic and cultural heritage. This orientation walk will introduce you to the most notable of them. We will be using GPS My City app to help us navigate the city. GPS My City offers 6 different self-guided walking tours in Brighton to help you explore the city. Today we will follow Brighton Introduction Walk. For a full detailed walk, check the GPS My City app. Our first stop, the Royal Pavillion, also known as the Brighton Pavilion, is Grade 1 listed former royal residence located in Brighton, England. Beginning in 1787, it was built in 3 stages as a seaside retreat for George, Prince of Wales, who became Prince Regent in 1811 and King George IV in 1820. It is built in the Indo-Saracenic style prevalent in India for most of the 19th century. Walking out from Pavilion Gardens will take us to the Chapel Royal. It is an 18th century place of worship in the centre of Brighton, a part of the English city of Brighton and Hove. Built as a chapel of ease, it became one of Brighton's most important churches, gaining its own parish and becoming closely associated with the Prince Regent and fashionable Regency-era society. It remains as an active church. Crossing North Street will lead us to Brighton Square. Brighton Square is situated in the heart of Brighton's historic lanes. It houses 21 shops and restaurants, where you will find widely diverse selection of goods and services. Enjoy a unique and lively shopping experience without the hassle of a crowded shopping centre. The Lanes is another popular destination for shopping in Brighton. Situated in the heart of the town, it is home to a number of independent shops and boutiques where you can find antiques, jewellery, interior design, furniture, art objects and famous brands and much more. If you haven't found the item you like in the lanes, try walking to the North Laine. North Laine is one of the most prominent shopping districts in Brighton. This active area is endowed with over 320 shops. Whether you're looking for fashionable clothing, nice gifts, fine arts, antiques or retro objects, you will find it here in North Laine. Just a 5-minute walk down the Jubilee Street you will find Theatre Royal. This theatre is presenting a range of West End and touring musicals and plays, along with performances of opera, ballet and a Christmas pantomime. In 1806, the Prince of Wales gave royal assent for the theatre to be built, and it opened on June 27, 1807, with a performance of William Shakespeare's Hamlet. Walking back to Pavilion Gardens will take us to Brighton Museum and Art Gallery. Brighton Museum and Art Gallery is a free-to-view municipally owned public museum and art gallery in the city of Brighton and Hove in the southeast of England. It is part of the Royal Pavillion and Museums Brighton and Hove. Sallis Benney Theatre and University of Brighton Gallery. Located in the centre of Brighton at the Grand Parade campus, Sallis Benney Theatre and University of Brighton Gallery is a prominent cultural venue in which to explore visual and performing arts, including Brighton Festival performances, fashion shows, exhibitions, etc. Just across the street there is Victoria Gardens. Victoria Gardens, situated in the heart of the city, Victoria Gardens is one of the most beautiful and popular public parks in Brighton. Named after the great Queen Victoria, one of the greatest and longest-serving British monarchs, it houses the sculpture of the Queen and is a prominent attraction. Walking south towards Pier will take us to Brighton War Memorial. Brighton War Memorial is another prominent attraction located in the same area. This memorial was built in honor of the 2,597 men and 3 women who lost their lives during the First World War. In the center of its quadric pool, you will see a small fountain. Right next to War Memorial, we can find Victoria Fountain. The Victoria Fountain is situated near the Marlborough House in the beautiful Old Laine area. It was inaugurated for the 27th birthday of Queen Victoria on May 25, 1846. The fountain represents 2 big bronze bowls, the lower one of which is supported by 3 huge fishes. Brighton's Sea Life Centre is located near Brighton Pier and is an excellent place for family entertainment. With its vast collection of displays, it will tell you a lot of interesting and useful information about the marine world. This will allow you to learn more about aquatic life and enjoy Brighton's Sea Life Centre. Our last stop, Brighton Pier. The Brighton Marine Palace and Pier is a pleasure pier in Brighton. It is generally known as a Palace Pier for short, but has been informally renamed Brighton Pier since 2000s by its owners, the Noble Organization, in an attempt to suggest that it's Brighton's only pier. The West Pier was its rival but was closed in 1975 and was subsequently severely damaged by fires and storms, with the remaining iron structure being partially demolished in 2010. Work began on the Palace Pier in 1891 and it opened in May 1899 after costing a record of £27,000 to build. We hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Brighton and we are looking forward for you to join us on our next adventure in the near future. Take care, guys!
Okay.